Hi, my name's Tim. I'm on the new Fantasyland expansion project. We are trying to work through some of the new innovative technology that's available to us, the Building Information Model, or BIM. We actually have a few Imagineers out in the field as we speak, so why don't we go join them to see how this new technology is applying to us in the field.
The BIM process leverages innovative visualization technology to help the team understand the impacts of the structural systems early in the process and all the other technical aspects of the building.
It's our three-dimensional software tool that helps us build our buildings in an electronic world.
It's used for scheduling purposes, but moreover to solve problems before we make it to the field.
When we finish that design and create the model, each of these subcontractors add to the model, and then when we take that to the field through the digital tablets, and they can identify clashes in the field and what we've worked on in the design room.
See right here we have a conflict with regards to the green HVA system and the white structural steel. So
the BIM process leverages innovative visualization technology to allow the entire team to share a vision of the building as it's coming together from a technical and creative standpoint.
One of the things that's great about the tablets now is that while you have it in the field with the new technology, you can also have WebEx meetings. So I can be in the field, see an issue, get someone on the phone, take a picture of that, or have a video, live video, set up a WebEx meeting, have the architect on the line, the general contractor on the line, the design architect on the line, pull up the BIM model, pull up the permits, pull up the shop drawings, all that information in your hands in the field.
What we did with The Little Mermaid is we incorporated this 3D modeling with our construction and general contracting team to help us do a lot of the problem solving before we get to the field.
The software searches in the model for anything that is hitting something else, so we can understand if there's an issue between two of our subcontractors' materials and where they're placing things, so we can figure that out before we get in the field.
One of the scenes in Mermaid where we had an air conditioning duct running up in the ceiling, and it was supposed to be down on the floor, and there was some confusion with that with the tradesmen. So normally you run your duct up in the ceiling, but we wanted it run on the floor to avoid conflicts with the ride. In that case, bringing that information out to the field helped them identify why we did that.
We can use these tools to create perspective views from what the guests will see before we actually construct what the final product will be.
It really allows us to do what we do best as Imagineers. It allows us to focus on our show and creating world-class attractions for our guests from around the world.
We as Imagineers are embracing the technology. We're leaps and bounds above where we were years ago.
This innovative technology and these visualization tools allow us all to sit in the same room, understand the same vision, and see how these choices that we make every day that impact our product and process are going to be brought to life to create great guest experience.